Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt.
Hi guys, so I'm back again today with another unboxing. Yes, don't mind the hat. Got it from Urban Outfitters. My Rasta pasta hat. Anyway,
girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
okay, so we're back with another unboxing, and look. Yes. So I'm not really a makeup girl, but I am a pink girl.
Try to look for other colors, but nothing appeals like pink.
And a girly girl. And so this was perfect. It's called Heartstoppers Limited Edition 28-piece Essentials Collection. So I got this from Marshalls for $24.99.
So we hitting Marshalls up or what?
And we had to dig in. So let's dig in. Start. I guess we'll start with the container. So pretty, it's white. Then we can start with them. Let's start with, I guess this is like a makeup rag. Okay. They have a lash curler. Yes, the lash curler. We don't have lashes, so we can't use that just now. We have like falsies on. They look good though.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
Anyway, we have all of these fly cute brushes. I don't know like what the brushes are for. This looks like it would be like for blush or something. But they're all super cute, and like when I get my makeup done, she's lit. Or if you come to the pink, you're lit. Or I don't know, is this like a collection that you just kind of hold? You guys let me know. These are the sponges. And then they come with some more like little brushes. So the whole thing looks like this. She's popping. Okay? Yeah. I just wanted to let you know. Yeah.
You thought you ate that?
So another cute find was this. It's not all pink, but there are two cute pink books. The Valentino is pink and the Dior is like a very like mild pastel pink. Okay, so this is called Little Guides to Style Collection, and all of these books are actually sold separately, but I got all of them for $69.99 at HomeGoods.
And what is that, bro?
So yes, that's what I like to do. We drive around to all the HomeGoods, the Marshalls, and the TJ Maxxes because they're all together for those of you that don't know. But yes, we drive to all of them and go find like cute finds like this. That looks really, really cute. Placed in the crib somewhere. Yep. Okay, for our next unboxing, for those of you that know, we're actually in the process of upgrading our pink space, making it more pink and pretty.
It's out with the old and in with the new.
So we're getting a new bed and it actually came from Amazon. First time ordering real furniture off of Amazon, so we'll see how it goes. It came in 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and then, oh, you guys can see, 4. Okay? And we're actually just gonna unbox 1 to get the color. You need to make sure it's actually the right pink. And so that is the point of this video. It is a day bed, a double day bed. So yes, it's a bed at the top and the bottom. It's supposed to be, I believe, a queen at the top and a 4 at the bottom. So here we go. Yeah, I'm struggling. Okay. So this is the pink. And it's really, really pretty. And it's the pink that I was looking for. Something very soft, neutral, that can go with almost anything, any other pink. And it's not like too raw. It's like subtle, like, ooh, this is a vibe.
That's a vibe.
This is smooth. This is nice. Yeah, so tell me what do you guys think? You can't really see it too much, but you get the picture, and I love it. So.
Like months. We gone for a year, only know like once.